What's up guys, Import Wizard's latest competition for this amazing Nissan Silvia S15 Spec. Or check it out. Alright guys, so here we have this stunning S15 Spec R in factory pearl white. OEM Aero style kit all round there, looking absolutely sweet. Sunroof model, aftermarket LED taillights, the rear looking sexy as hell. OEM style spoiler with the midsection cut out. Some freshly powder coated CST Hyper Zero with the original sticker, and the gold CST center caps, and some nice rainbow style lug nuts. How cool are they? 18" by 9.5J all round ET15. Just a little bit of camber there to bring them in nice and flush. Doesn't it look great the way the wheels pop against the pearl? Chrome shotgun tail end there, sounds well with the SR. Front mounted intercooler there as well, with some nice mesh, gives it a bit of a more clean OEM look. Really cool stuff. Okay, so quick look inside. Always hard to beat a black Nardi steering wheel. You've got a Defi boost gauge up here, and that comes with controls, and the link meter down here, so you can plug in a lot more if you want to. Super cool Bride Brix reclining bucket seat there for the driver. Lovely black Spec R roof carpet that these come with. All your black sun visors and things. Broadway mirror up here as well. I think our last chaser had one of these. And we've got a Works Bell snap off steering wheel Boss here. Works Bell are the best in the game, guys. Really solid Boss there, absolutely no play whatsoever, and it just snaps off so easy. Okay, and back on. Really cool. Just in the back then, nice and clean. You've actually got a factory air purifier up there as well. There's a switch on the dash for it, and a Pioneer subwoofer there just sitting on the floor. Let's have a look in the boot. All the interiors here, as you can see. Jack still in there. Spare wheel still here as well. And the toolkit. Nice, clean and solid, no rust there at all. Okay, onto the bonnet. Factory SR20 DET notch top that the Spec R comes with. Usual nice upgrades there. Front mounted intercooler, HKS Super Air intake. Right guys, so that's it for our amazing S15. The best of luck to everybody, and I'll see you at the draw. Cheers!